Hello everyone, I am Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. I am back in another video. Today I like to share you guys my using experience Android 10 on Mi A2. So guys, let's start the video. One month ago I got Android 10 on my Mi A2 and now I like to share you guys my using experience Android 10, what is good and what is bad. So let's move on the video. At first talk about the navigation key. Android 10 you can get the new navigation key. You also get older 2 version 2 navigation key but new navigation key I think more better and you can feel a flagship phone. Next talk about the SystemOS dark mode. Android 10 you can get SystemOS dark mode and you can use all the app in a dark mode. Android 10 you can get Google Assistant too easy. Swipe left and swipe right to get Google Assistant. Let's move on. Problem and issue. After Android 10 update I got some problem and issue. At first the camera problem. Sometimes picture click need more time and sometimes the picture quality not good as well as, and second problem is fingerprint sensor. Sometimes fingerprint sensor not working and sometimes phone works slow. Another problem is phone hanging. I hope MI fix all the problem and issue as soon as possible. I am Shojib. See you next time to another video. Allah Hafiz.